Hi everyone, I am Roslyn Anita, nursing tutor in Tribhulam College of Nursing. This video I am going to discuss about arterial line insertion. Arterial line placement. Arterial line placement is a common procedure in various critical care settings. Arterial line monitoring system that uses an artery for access and consists of a catheter in the artery, pressure tubing, transducer, and an electronic monitoring devices. Arterial line monitoring of systemic blood pressure and obtaining arterial blood for analysis. Purposes: to maintain the patency of arterial line, to minimize the risk of infection associated with the care and use of hemodynamic lines, to provide accurate invasive pressure monitoring, and to facilitate the blood withdrawal for diagnostic purposes. Indications: frequent blood sampling, frequent arterial blood gas sampling, continuous direct BP monitoring, arterial catheter, mean arterial pressure measurements. Possible sites for arterial line insertion: radial, ulnar, brachial, axillary, posterior tibial, femoral, dorsalis pedis arteries. Preparation of Allen test. How to prepare the Allen test? The test is performed by asking the patient to clench their hands. The ulnar and radial arteries are occluded with digital pressure. The hand is unclenched and pressure over the ulnar artery is released. If there is a good collateral perfusion, the palm should flush in less than 6 seconds. Equipment: arterial cannula, arterial set, saline bag and transducer. Positioning: for the radial artery, the most common insertion, the arm is restrained, palm up, with an arm board to hold the wrist dorsiflexed. Procedure: ensure that all pre-procedure steps are taken. Assure that pressure tubing with transducer is connected to bedside monitor. Perform the Allen test to assure adequate collateral blood flow if using the radial artery. Wash hands and don gloves. For the radial artery, the arm is restrained, palm up, with an arm board to hold the wrist dorsiflexed. Apply anesthetic agent. Locate pulsating artery via palpation. Cleanse area selected for arterial line placement and stabilize the artery by pulling skin tag. Puncture skin at 45 to 60 degree angle for radial artery and 90 degree for femoral artery. Connect to pressure IV tubing and check for arterial waveform on bedside monitor. Cleanse area of any blood and allow site to dry, and apply benzoin to cleansed area and allow to dry and become tacky. Secure arterial line with a tape and cover with tegaderm dressing. Secure IV tubing to prevent it from being caught and pulling on arterial catheter. If a femoral arterial line is placed, it should be secured with a suture. Properly dispose of IV sharps and other used materials. Nursing care: monitor the waveform, zeroing the arterial line, check for blood pressure accuracy, and neurovascular assessment of 5 P's, that is pain, pallor, pulses, paresthesia and paralysis. Know how to draw blood for arterial line. Thank you.